Check it out, guys. Thank you for joining my channel. This is Get Technical Plumbing class. Check out what we done on the platform today. Take a look at this. You'll be amazed at what these students are learning. Again, I'm so proud of them. We're accomplishing a lot of things, and I hope to continue to progress. I know these students are going to continue in the class, and they will definitely be career ready when they for summer break, for when they leave high school. They'll be career ready, and I'll do all I can to make sure these students are employed. Yeah. Glue that thing, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, LaDamian, go ahead and get below and hold that thing. I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, there you go. And then you can put it on there. Push it down there, all the way down, right there. Now rotate a little bit. And Damon, you get it straight.
All right.
Turn to your left, Damon. There you go.